going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode on this blog thing that I'm doing. I have no idea, guys. I'm still trying to figure that part out, but welcome back. It's Sunday fun day. And like I said, I'm gonna be taking highway because I am sick and tired of being sick and tired of looking at my exhaust and it's not blue yet. Okay, we gotta make sure we blew it up, and there's no better way to do that than by taking it on the highway, baby. So on this one, I don't really have anything particular to talk about. The only thing I really just want to do is just ride. So if you guys want to join me on this ride along, then by all means, come along. Make this bike pop? No way, hold on. I think I am. Hold on, we're gonna have to experiment real quick before we keep going. Check it out later, but I think I did. great, that's for sure. That is for sure. What the heck? We got another one? That's crazy. Look at that. 2 in 1 day. It's gonna be the new punch buggy. Take a little pause here and we'll resume once we can keep going. Right. Whoa. That was a little crazy. What the heck just happened there? I think this is it. We just hit first gear while we were at like 6,000-7,000 RPM, and the bike kind of slid a little bit. I don't know what that was about, but I did not like it because I know the bike did not like it. This is the street I was talking about. Like, isn't this nice? Like, to be able to see, like, you know, calm. You don't really get to see too many trees here in Florida like that. Yeah, you can go to areas that are like that, but I'm saying like commercial, like near commercial, big commercial areas, to be able to see this, like, you gotta take it in, because eventually, like, it's just gonna be all gone. They're gonna cut all the trees down. They're gonna make it into apartments or make it into a McDonald's. They're, you know, it's gonna be gone. So you have to enjoy things like this. Yeah, see, like, oh, this is just beautiful. Nice little chill ride. And of course, we're gonna have to stop somewhere, because we gotta check out to see if the pipes are blue. And I do want to get back to like shorter form content. Long videos are great, but I miss when I was doing, like, you know, short little videos, kind of just like a little snapshot. Now see, beautiful neighborhoods. This is actually really nice neighborhoods. I've never been this far into the street, but yeah, this is actually really nice. Here, we're gonna go check this place out right here. Where are we at here? It's another neighborhood there. Oh wow. Neighborhood on neighborhood on neighborhood. What do we got here? Yeah, I think this is the first time I've ever ridden this bike for this long and this far. What is this? I wouldn't be surprised. USTA National Campus, home of American tennis. What the heck? Oh my gosh, look at this parking lot, dude. This is nice. So we're just gonna take a little stop right here. Let it cool down a little bit, and let's check out the pipe. See if we got any sort of blue coming out. So it's starting to get there, but man, it's gonna take a while for this thing to actually get blue, I think. Let's see, and I actually brought out everything. Oh wow, yeah, this is nice. Yeah, see, that's where we're gonna have to like let it cool down a little bit and like turn it on again, go through the cycles. But yeah, it's not too bad. Pretty nice ride. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know down in the comments too, because I'm still deciding, guys, I'm still deciding what to do in regards to the next bike. If we're gonna get a Honda Fireblade RRR SP or a BMW M1000RR. Please let me know down in the comments, which one would you guys like to see? Which one do you guys like more? Obviously, I don't have too much time with this bike. This bike is amazing, but I think one more bike into the collection would help. Kind of have different options of different flavors if I ever want to go out and ride around. Because ZX10, like I said, it's a great bike. You know, I have the CBR600RR 2025, and that bike is amazing too, but we gotta have at least one more 1000cc bike on the channel. So let me know. Fireblade SP, RRR, M1000RR, and I'll check you guys on the next one. Peace.